Can you find all the animals? Together. Guess all 10 animals. It says moo and gives milk. What is it? 3, 2. Is it a dog? Go! Put that down. It lays eggs. Go Peachy Boy.
Is it a duck? Nope, it's a chicken!
It loves mud. 3, 2, 1. Is it a hippo? No, it's a pig. Yay, a pig. It runs fast. 3, 4. Is it a dog? Nope, it's a horse. Three to two, then walk. Is it a chicken? No, it's a duck. It climbs and says ma. 3, 2, 1. Is it a dog? Nope, it's a goat. It has fluffy wool. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Is it a cloud? No, it's a sheep. What? Cheer. Whoa! What animal is this? Cheer. It's a cow. And this? It's a duck. It says woo. 3, 2, 1. Is it a wolf? No, it's a dog. It says meow. 3, 2, 1. Is it a tiger? Nope, it's a cat. It says gobble gobble. 3, go. Is it a chicken? No,